saying this morning, I'm glad to see so many of you here, but I'm also really saddened because the amount of people who are here, who have made it here, really shows the scale of this problem. We don't often see protests quite as large as this on the Senedd steps. So well done to all of you for coming. I'm also really saddened that people with a learning disability and autistic people are still being locked away in mental health settings, often far from their homes, as we've heard, and their families. And we are here today because we all agree, we all demand they need homes, not hospitals. I want to thank everyone who has spoken up and spoken out and supported the Stolen Lives campaign in whatever way they can, and who has come here today to make sure that the message of the campaign is heard loud and clear by the government and everyone who sits in the Senedd. Because when the government says that it is listening, that it co-produces policies, that it values rights, ensures equality, well, those words must mean something in practice. We must see the release of those who need homes, not hospitals. We must see the services they need available in their local communities. We must never allow people to be wrongly placed in a unit because the support isn't there in their local communities. But we know this is not a new issue. Many of you, and I have frequently highlighted in the Senedd, how the rights of people with learning disabilities and autism have been breached, how measures and policies are not being actioned, issues which you have all been fighting for far too long. Inappropriately placing people in hospitals and units is, to my mind, a fundamental breach of human rights. No more excuses, no more delay, we need action.